Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face using only products that Paige Koren made me buy. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So I've talked a lot about Paige on my channel because I really like her. I think that she's just a genuine nice person. When she raves about a product, I want to go out and pick it up because I really trust her opinion. I don't feel like she would sell out on us. Like I don't think the money would be the thing to drive her. I think that it's just her passion for makeup and just the kind and sweet person that she is. First, I want to show you guys my sweater. I will also leave her website down below, so if you guys want to check out her website and pick up a sweater or t-shirt. I don't know what else she sells on there. I think she sells like pictures too, but I'm not sure. I will try to link everything that Paige has down below so you guys can check it out. But let's get started with this video because I have my lights on me and I'm wearing this sweater. It's going to get hot. I'm gonna start sweating here soon, so I want to get this video going. So the first thing that I'm going to go in with is the Juno & Cove Moonshine Miracle Cream. Paige has talked about this so much on her channel. She doesn't really talk about it anymore, but she used to talk about it all the time. She recommends this as a primer. I bought it for a primer, but I don't really like it for a primer. I like it more for like a moisturizer right before you go in with your makeup, and that's only because I have large pores, so I need like a pore filling primer, and this is not going to fill in your pores whatsoever. I'm getting it in my eyes. I bought like 3 of them. At one point I think I had like 3 or 4 of these in my makeup collection. Now I'm down to 2 of them. I really like this product. Like I said, it's, to me, I will use it for like a hydrating primer, but I would still need to go in with a pore filling one if I want to have a more flawless face. The next thing I'm gonna go in with is a foundation. Paige talks about, or she used to talk about, the Believe Beauty foundation all the time, but I actually found that foundation before she talked about it, so she didn't technically make me buy it because I already had it. But this foundation she did make me buy. It's the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. This is still a product that she has in her collection, she still uses. I've used this a couple of times. I can't remember like how many times I've used it, but so far I like it. You think that it's not going to have a lot of coverage, but girl, I was surprised with how much coverage this foundation gives you. So this is what one layer of foundation looks like. I really like it. It's a very natural foundation. So if you are looking for a more natural looking foundation, this foundation would be good. Paige also did a collab with Blinged Brushes, and she has her own brush set. I want to get my hands on them brushes so bad, but I'm not ready to splurge on it. But if you guys have Paige's brushes, please let me know in the comments what you think of them. I heard that they're amazing and they're just like the best brushes ever, but I want to buy them so bad. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with concealer. This is the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. When Paige started talking about it, I was really intrigued because it said cakeless concealer, and you guys know me, with my under eyes, I need something that's not gonna be caking up and settling into fine lines. Let's go in, and I like the doe foot on it. I'm finding out that if a product doesn't have like a good doe foot, I don't like it. I don't like them to be too hard and stiff, but also too flimsy. So I'm just gonna go and take some and put it underneath the eye. I'm getting so much product in my hair. It's not even funny. And then we're gonna go on the side of the nose, chin, nose here. Whoops, that line is not straight. And then we're gonna make a couple lines above. So now we're just gonna blend this all out. Okay, so next we're gonna go in and set the under eyes. Paige really likes the Huda Beauty loose powder. I like this powder. I just don't like the sifter in it, like this thing. I don't really care for that too much, but the product itself I really like. So I'm just gonna go in with this smaller brush. So then we're gonna go in and just pat this underneath our eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with a bigger brush and we're going to set our entire face. I had to make sure that there was no cream products over here that I needed to use because I always mess that up. But let's go in and set our entire face. I like to pounce my powder into my face instead of swirling it, because I feel like if you pounce it into your face, you're pushing the product in instead of like going in circles. Then I feel like you're moving the product around, and that's not what we want to do. Okay, so let's put some color back into our face. So I'm going to go in with a bronzer, and this is the Revlon Skin Light Bronzer. Paige talked about this. This is just last year that she talked about it, and she really liked it. So I picked it up, and guess what, people? I like it too. So I'm just going to pick some up on an angled brush. And we're gonna go in and start bronzing up the face. I like this bronzer because it doesn't leave my face looking red at all. I've been realizing the difference between the bronzers that I like and don't like. I don't like the bronzers that have like a red undertone to it because it doesn't look good on my skin tone at all. So I try to stay away from stuff like that. Next, we're gonna go in with a blush, and this is from the brand L'Oreal, and it's the Please Me blushes. She talked about this in one of her videos, and as soon as she used it, I had to go out and buy it. So we're just gonna go in and put some blush. I like blush, so I go in with a lot because I feel like by the time I'm done with my makeup, the blush is gone. So I can put on a lot of blush and it's literally gonna disappear within an hour. The next thing we're gonna do is go in with a highlighter. Paige was talking about this, and I've been wanting to pick up the Ofra highlighters forever, but all of a sudden Paige started talking about it, and I'm like, okay, let's just go get them. So I'm gonna go in with the Ofra highlighter, and this is in the shade Star Island. This one is probably my favorite. It just looks a lot more natural. It's not dark on me, and yeah, just like I said, it looks really natural. Next, we're gonna go in and do our eyes. I'm going to go in and prep my eyes with the MAC Painterly Paint Pod. Paige talks about this all the time. She loves this. She has a brush that she uses from Morphe, but I do not have that brush. So I am just going to take, let's mute the phone because it's being loud. I'm just gonna take this type of brush and I just put it into my product like so and tap it on the eyes. I like how this just brightens up my eye and covers up all the veins and discoloration that's on top of my eyelids. And now we're gonna go in with our eyeshadows. So Paige got me into Laura Lee Los Angeles. I know about Laura Lee's brand, and I know, you know, Laura Lee's channel and everything, but Paige started talking about her products, and she was talking about the Nudie Patootie palette and the Nudie Patootie 2 palette. I haven't got my hands on, I have something in my eye. I had a hair in my eye and that hurt. I haven't been able to get my hands on the Nudie Patootie 2 palette yet, but I do have the first one, so we will be going in with this palette right here. And we're gonna be doing just a simple eye look, nothing too crazy. I found Paige's channel after she won the Jaclyn Hill giveaway. That's when I found Paige on YouTube, and I have been a fan ever since. I really like her channel. I just like her as a person. Like, she's just so sweet, so kind. Okay, so we got the eyeshadow done. I really like this palette. Next, we're gonna go in with mascara. Paige was talking about this Pat McGrath Labs Fetish Eyes mascara. I picked it up and I understand why she really likes it. I like it too. This is what it looks like here, and this is what the wand looks like. These are my favorite kind of wands. They're not plastic, they're not flimsy, they just apply the product really nicely. Let's go and put some mascara on. Next, we're gonna go in and do our eyebrows. So Paige talks about the Benefit Precisely Your Brow or My Brow pencil and the Give Me Brow gel. I picked up the mini size of the brow pencil and the gel just to see if I like it or not, and I really like it. The mini size doesn't have a spoolie on the other side. I'm not sure if the full size does or not, but it's okay because I have a spoolie right here. So we're just gonna go in and do our eyebrows. I need to pluck my eyebrows so bad. They're looking horrible right now. I really like the brow pencil, so now we're gonna go in with the brow gel. This is the Give Me Brow. I tried this. Now again, this is only the mini size, so you don't get as many uses out of it, but so far I've really been liking the Give Me Brow. I like how it makes your eyebrows look. So Paige talks about this lip liner. Paige talks about all the time. It's the KKW lip liners. I just pulled it out and look at it. And the tip is in there. Let me sharpen this. Now we got the lip liner back. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? I'm having issues with mine. It's like wants to come out. Do you see that? And then I have to push it back in. This is in the shade Nude 1. I overline my lips just a little bit. Oh my gosh, you look at that. It's like, I don't understand. I usually don't have any problem with the KK lip pencils. Maybe my product is just old, but I feel like I only got this a couple months ago, so not a couple months ago. I've had this for probably a year, but I feel like it should still be good, right? Next, we're gonna go in with a lipstick. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm going to apply some of this all over the lip. And there we go. I like this lipstick. It is expensive, but I feel like lipsticks last forever. Okay, so this is the final look. It's coming off really light on camera, but in person it's not. So it's just my lights that I have going on right now, and then there is a window behind me, so it's just washing me out. And I've tried to fix my lighting situation and I don't know how to. I've tried to YouTube it and talk to people about it, and I feel like every time I mess with it, it gets worse, so I just leave it. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!